LeBron James charters 3 helicopters during his CAVS teammates retreat.
Here's the hall that Kevin set up for everyone. So they have all that chosen gear, a pair of shorts. This is like a pullover, a shirt. There's a shirt here, and then this one is pretty sick. It's like a light. Then we got Meta glasses. These are engraved leather bags for us, which are sick. And our year, they always had these hats that said, "Always believe," sick. And then these balls, these Titleist Pro V1s, they say your number on them. And then these ones say like 2016. So it's pretty wild. I mean, we're staying somewhere so sick. Here's the room. Then they had the cookies that are number 9, and then that's actually white chocolate. And that's everyone who's on the trip. And they got the 2016 fry. Overlooking the front. Pretty sick room.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Out here faking shit. I ain't never seen them touch them buttons before. Look at this guy. Hey, you talking about Barney, man? Kevin! Oh my, no, not again. Fellas? What's up? Kevin! Nudie! Oh, okay.
Richard, Ernie, Richard. Oh man. Oh man. There's some point A to point B train.
My boy, AWC, man. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Yeah, that was just my guy. Look at my guy. We're about to win today. I don't know where we're winning, but we're going to win something.
Win something.
We're going to win something.
Watching his... What?
You loser. You're such a... I'm trying to film JR get in his shit right now. Pause. Heavy pause.
Hey, good shot.
Oh, did you go yet?
Nope.
Carried it.
Yeah, boy.
Hell yeah, now that's a motherfucking shot.
Mother.
Lock this monster. And these drawers.
Oh, God.
Bomba.
God damn.
Bomba T.
Said the chimneys, right?
Yeah. But yeah. Brown walked by. I had to tap the screen because it got darker.
How close? We got. How close is it, Kev?
Yeah. Wow. I was very close to going in.
Wow.
I think 2 inch.
That was rolling. That was all over it.
It's like 6 inches.
It was all over it.
Wow.
6 inches.
How you feeling?
You ever made one?
If I stretch it out, it's probably about 7.
Look at T-Top coming in clutch.
Great butt, Chad.
Get those drinks, bro.
Double shots tequila. Double shots. Yeah, double shots. Good line.
Great shot, bro.
Thank you, sir. All right. Jump up one more time.
Hey, Swish, when's your episode of The Richard Show dropping?
Today. Make sure y'all go check it out, man.
Go. Tell them to subscribe, too. Tell them to subscribe.
Oh, subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Click subscribe.
Yeah.
Leave a comment.
Tell
like.
them it's on YouTube.
Oh, yeah. And it's on YouTube.
Go check it out.
Go check it out.
Richard. Say The Richard Show.
Oh, it's The Richard Show, by the way.
Perfect. Man, that's going to be great. We're going to edit that. It's going to be awesome.
All right.
Swish, crushing the golf. Is that your ball?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Who found it?
Took a big drop out here, baby.
You found it? You gonna drop one?
With my hips, I can stretch that out. My back.
It's a wrap city.
Oh, what?
Call it a day. We need to unlock our vehicles. Boop, 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 boop. On the compass. Get to the chopper. Get, boop, boop. Bye. Meow. Ooh, look at us. Got him. He's showing off for the gram. I know what he's doing. There's nothing but the loop.
Yeah, they're making you go.
Where's the most measurement?
Nah, that's croquette.
I don't know, that's the best of the world here.
Oh, shit. Damn, dog. Slow down.
I'm proud of you, man. That was just a good one, Ramos. That was just a good one.
Oh, it's good. That was good. Really good.
Love her.
Yeah, for sure. There's no question. Got to.
This motherfucker right here.
Can you be present?
Hey,
One time.
Can you be present? How was the wedding?
No, you can't up that.
Kids.
Oh, I did some more years.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.